Hello everyone, welcome. Today we're going to take a deep dive into Hello Bonsai. Hello Bonsai is a platform designed for freelancers and small businesses looking to streamline their workflows and client management. Whether you're a designer, developer, writer, or consultant, Hello Bonsai offers an all-in-one solution to help you manage contracts, invoices, proposals, and project timelines with ease. I'll be walking you through the platform, its key features, pricing, the pros and cons, and a balanced conclusion as to whether this might be a right fit for you. Hello Bonsai aims to simplify administrative tasks, allowing users to focus on what matters most, their work. At its core, it's a project management tool that helps users with contracts and proposals. The platform allows you to quickly create legally vetted contracts and send out professional proposals. Customizable templates make it easy to tailor each document to your client. Time tracking and task management. Freelancers can manage projects by tracking billable hours, tasks, and deadlines, ensuring they stay on schedule and accurately charge for their time. Invoicing and payments. You can send invoices directly through the platform, connect to your bank, and receive payments seamlessly. Automatic reminders help you stay on top of unpaid invoices. Expense management. Hello Bonsai also helps users manage their expenses, which can be categorized and added to projects to keep finances organized. It is designed to give freelancers and small businesses a professional edge by simplifying these core operations. Now let us talk about its main features. Contract templates. One of Hello Bonsai's standout features is its variety of customizable templates for contracts. These are not only professional, but also legally vetted to ensure that freelancers are protected in their dealings with clients. Time tracking. The platform comes with a time tracking feature that integrates smoothly into your project's workflow. This allows you to log hours directly into a project and easily convert them into billable invoices. Client CRM. Hello Bonsai's customer relationship management system helps freelancers keep track of client interactions, ensuring that you have all the information at hand when engaging with current or potential clients. Automated workflows. With automated workflows, you can send proposals, contracts, and invoices in a sequence, making it much easier to get started with new clients. This feature saves significant time, especially when dealing with multiple clients. Recurring invoices. If you have clients on retainer or ongoing projects, Bonsai allows you to set up recurring invoices that are sent out automatically. Tax and expense tracking. Bonsai offers an intuitive system for tracking expenses and income, helping freelancers prepare for tax season. Integrations. The platform integrates with major payments processors like PayPal, Stripe, and bank transfers, ensuring smooth payment processes. How about the pricing? Hello Bonsai offers several pricing tiers. The starter plan, which is priced at $21 per month. This plan is great for freelancers who are just starting out. It includes features like unlimited clients, projects, contracts, and proposals. The professional plan at $32 per month. This plan adds features like client forms, workflow automations, and priority supports. It is ideal for freelancers with multiple clients and more complex needs. The business plan at $66 per month includes all professional features along with additional tools like subcontractor management, hiring, and more advanced automations that are perfect for small businesses. And there is a scale plan, which is ideal for larger businesses and agencies where you can talk and negotiate with Hello Bonsai. And in general, they also offer a 14-day free trial, which gives users a chance to explore the platform risk-free. How about the pros and cons of using Hello Bonsai? First, the pros. All-in-one tool. Bonsai eliminates the need for multiple platforms by integrating contracts, invoicing, time tracking, and CRM into one tool. Customizability. Users can customize contracts, proposals, and invoices to fit their specific needs, adding a layer of professionalism to their client interactions. Automation. The ability to automate workflows, reminders, and invoices can save users considerable time and reduce administrative burdens. Legally vetted contracts. One of the biggest advantages of Bonsai is its legally vetted contract templates, giving freelancers peace of mind. How about the cons of using Bonsai? Pricing. Compared to other platforms, Hello Bonsai's pricing might be a bit steep, especially for those just starting out. There are cheaper alternatives with similar basic functionality. Limited customization on some features. While the platform allows for customization, some users find that more advanced features like proposals and forms have limited flexibility. Primarily freelancers focused. Although it caters to small businesses, its feature set is still mainly targeted at freelancers, which might make it less ideal for growing companies that need more complex features. Is Hello Bonsai a good fit? Hello Bonsai is a well-rounded platform offering all the essential tools freelancers and small businesses need to manage their work, from proposal to payments. Its standout features like legally vetted contracts, time tracking, automated workflows, and expense management make it a compelling choice for freelancers who want to streamline their administrative work. However, the pricing may be a drawback for those just starting out or those who need more advanced customization options. But in summary, if you're a freelancer or a small business owner looking for an all-in-one solution that covers contracts, invoicing, time tracking, and client management, Hello Bonsai is definitely worth considering. It's particularly well suited for professionals who want to scale their operations and automate repetitive tasks. That said, for users seeking more advanced customization or who are on a tighter budget, exploring alternatives like Honeybook, FreshBooks, or Ant.co might make more sense. Ultimately, Hello Bonsai offers a high level of professionalism and convenience, making it a solid investment for freelancers aiming to grow their business. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.